and welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back to see the next video. Well, I thought because everyone's on lockdown, quarantined at home, so for us girls, in terms of like nails, eyelashes, just all of the stuff you need to get done, there's one thing you can actually do from home, which is waxing. I'm going to show you a quick, affordable way of making your own sugar wax at home and how to use it, prepare it, and all of that stuff. Background on waxing: I've been waxing in general for about 5-6 years, going like to the shop professionally to get it done. I think the first time I went was about 6 years ago, and what I've realized is the more you get waxed, the less hair that grows back if you are persistent with it, like go every month. I've been sugar waxing for about 6-7 months now from home. So, and I have noticed the results are good, it's easy. If you can hold pain and do it yourself, then why not? The benefits of sugar waxing is obviously the more you do waxing, the less hair growth that comes back. It's made with natural ingredients, so it's beneficial for your skin anyway, so why would you not want to put it on your skin? There's less irritation post-treatment, so after you get your waxing done, sometimes when you go to the salon and they do use the hard wax, you feel like a little bit of irritation. So when you do use sugar wax, you don't really get that irritation. Aftercare for sugar wax is literally, or waxing in general, is all the same. Don't exfoliate that day, but the next day exfoliate, keep yourself clean and all of that stuff. Before you get the wax done, obviously make sure your area is clean, free of any oils, and if you do have baby powder, that helps to lessen the pain as well and helps the wax grip to your skin better. So yes, as we go along, I'll let you know all the ingredients you'll need and how to make it, all of that good stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and continue watching to see the result. Right guys, so I'm back in my kitchen just to show you guys the ingredients. Like I said, it's very affordable and cheap to make this sugar wax. All you need is some lemon juice, which I got here, some granulated sugar, water, a glass jar. I only use a glass jar, so I don't know about any other material, but a thick glass jar, a pot that is somewhat tall, just so depending on the amount you're making, it doesn't spew over. So I will just have a close up into the pot just so you lot know the measurements of the ingredients I'm going to use, and just so you know what it looks like as I'm making the sugar wax. Right, so here we have the close-up of the pot. So first I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. If you don't have these measuring whatever they call it measuring cups, I got mine from the pound shop, so yeah, but it's literally 1 cup, which is equivalent to 250 milligrams. So I'm just gonna add the sugar, 30 milliliters of lemon juice. This is only a 15, so I'm gonna add 2. The same amount for the water, which is 30 milliliters again. So I'm just gonna turn the cooker up to a medium heat and just give that a mix, just to incorporate all the ingredients. I'm just gonna add another 15 milliliters of lemon juice and water, just because it is a little bit thick. So just stir that up, and I will be back once it starts to bubble. So as you guys can see, the pot is heating up, so is the wax. The sugar's almost dissolved. So I'm just going to continue cooking it till it's at the colour I want it to be. So you'll be able to tell that the wax will start to thicken and change in colour. Just keep stirring every so often. Good thing is it smells very nice as well because of the lemon juice. What I'm doing now is checking the colour because it's almost done. Also, while you are cooking this wax, to prep your glass jar that I showed you guys earlier, it's recommended you put it in boiling hot water just so when you do add your glass in, it does not shock the glass and break. So as you can see, I plugged my kettle prior, added it into the bowl and added my glass jar. So I'm going to leave it in there for about 5 minutes just to heat up the glass, so when I do add the wax it doesn't shock the glass and break. So this wax is basically done. It is a light yellowish colour. So what I'll do is just slide over and let that cool. So now my jar has heated up. I'm just going to add the wax in. With one of the spatulas I've got, I'm just going to keep on stirring while it cools down, just to get it to thicken up. So once it has cooled down, I'll show you guys how to use this bad boy. Right, so I'm back from the kitchen with the sugar wax. So this is the colour it's gone, and this is the type of consistency you are looking for. And if you are going along and you do find that your wax does get a bit hard, all you need to do is just put it in the microwave for about 10-20 seconds max and check it, and it should have lightened up. Mix it all up again and it's good to go. Wait for it to cool down before you burn yourself, and then you can start using it again. For this part, you'll need some wooden sticks. You can get them on Amazon, eBay, beauty shops, and you'll need some like square cotton strips. What I've done is I've got like some old bed sheets that I don't use, so I just cut them up. I know, ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto.
I cut them up and just use them, you know, recycle and that. So yeah, if you don't trust yourself to do it by yourself, if you can, ask your sister, ask your mum, if you're comfortable with your mum like that, to obviously help you out. I've got my mans who I've taught to kind of show him how to kind of do it and all of that stuff. I'm gonna do a full Brazilian wax. I'll just set myself up. Obviously I ain't gonna show you guys but you know, I'll show you in terms of pain level reaction kind of thing, just so you know in terms of pain how it will feel or might feel for you. But what I will do is show you guys a quick example on my arm. I'm not that hairy on my arm, but I'll show you just so you get an understanding of how to apply the wax on and to pull it off. You get the wooden stick, get your wax, and then I kind of wipe off the back excess, twirl it round if it does string. So I apply it upwards, get a cotton strip and put that on top, hold it down, kind of place it in, and then you want to pull away from the direction your hair is growing. It does help if you do feel a lot of pain as you pull the strip off, if you apply pressure on it for a few seconds, that kind of numbs the pain down a bit. That helps when you are doing your vagina area. It's taken, I've got very light hairs, but it has taken some hairs off. Let me see if I can focus it. So as you can see, it's pulled out the hairs, so you kind of get an idea. I'm just gonna set myself up. It obviously does help if you want to set the mood, just to calm your nerves, put some calm music on, some candles. I don't know, make an experience for yourself, you know, a little pampering session. So I've taken my position, guys. Right guys, so I'm just gonna finish up and then come back to you once we are all done. Right guys, so that is pretty much it. Plain and simple. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes for you guys. It hurts, but it's not all that bad if the person knows what they're doing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace and